Jyotish is not about predictions. It is about karma correction. Because the mistakes, see, I'll tell you how do I explain it. In the past life course, I had explained it. Whatever mistakes are happening in this life by you or by others to you, the same thing has happened in the previous life. It is just a replay button.
It comes back in cycles, yeah.
Where the universe is giving you one more chance. It is like an exam in school that you failed. You failed in the 10th standard, 10th grade. Again, you can't move to the 11th grade without passing the 10th grade. So again, in this life, you're back to the exam of the 10th grade. It's as simple as that. So if I cheated somebody of property, if I cheated on my wife, okay, I have done that in the previous life, and so the test has come back in this life. Simple. Absolutely simple. And 99%, this is the truth, 99% of us once again fail. We once again fail. Suppose I smoke. I have been a smoker in my previous life. So in this life, the smoking will come back in interest form and cause me more serious health issues than the previous life. So the test keeps on becoming stronger and stronger and stronger. The base of astrology is karma. Now, what does karma do? Or what does karma mean? A, what are you born for? What is your pending karma? You focus on that, complete that, and your soul's journey moves to the next level. Am I right or wrong, everybody? I know it's very early morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
B, what's your future karma pending? In the sense, what you need to do. It might not be a pending karma, not associated with anybody. But what's your future karma that you need to do for your soul to go to the next level? आप लोग समझ रहे हो मैं थोड़ी बड़ी बात बोल रहा हूं. I'm talking a little bit philosophical for many of you.
Sir, spiritual elevation as in?
Spiritual elevation does not mean doing mantra, praying, going to temples. All this is the drama we guys have created. Our rishis created this for the common man, because the common man does not understand Atma, does not understand soul. So our rishis, our ancients, created rituals around it. If you notice, if you really study Hinduism, if you really study Christianity or any religion, rituals and all came in later. There were no rituals. There were no rules. The highest form of spirituality is humanity, becoming a human. Simple. Simple as it is. Biggest religion, biggest spirituality is becoming a human, and it's the toughest job in the world. Toughest job in the world. The rishis have been tested, sages have been tested on this very fundamental of God's creation. I see people in astrology, in spirituality, spending hours meditating, reciting mantras, going here, meeting babas, getting rare mantras, blah, 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 blah. As soon as they come out of the room, somebody comes and says, hey, please help me. I am in so-and-so trouble. They turn their back and go away. All mantras gone down the drain. All mantras gone down the drain. If you all don't understand that, I'll give you a small example. Husband, wife, loving with each other, blah, blah, blah. wife has trouble health-wise, husband will not press wife's feet. Why? In our culture, pressing wife's feet is a sin. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right,
Speak
sir.
up, man, speak up.
Right,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
किसी को दर्द होता है, तुम्हारा भगवान उसको मदद करने को नहीं बोलता है, तो भगवान को राम राम कर दो. If somebody is in pain, you can't help him because of your religious strictures or rituals or your culture. Shame on you. Shame on your religion. So, the real astrology is, what is your job? Your job is to make this client a human being. Simple. If you achieve that, you have achieved much bigger than all the mantras in the world. इंसान तो बना के दिखाओ ना. We are fascinated with predictions. That's not astrology. We worship astrologers who are great predictors. We worship astrologers who predicted Indira Gandhi will die, Kennedy will be assassinated, World War II will happen, so and so period. We worship. So and so stockbroker is going to die. This, that. One of my students, he is now very popular and tries all media agencies to get more popularity and all that. क्या करें?